This tutorial takes DB RDS for MySQL as an example to describe how to use Database Autonomy Service to perform automatic O and AMP-M. This tutorial includes 4 parts. Part 1, connect database instances to DAS. Log on to the DAS console. On the overview page, click Access Instance to go to the Access Instance page. Alibaba Cloud database instances are automatically connected to DAS after the instances are created. For self-managed databases that are deployed on Elastic Compute Service instances, on your on-premises devices, or provided by other cloud service providers, select the corresponding database type and follow the on-screen instructions to connect them to DAS. Part 2, use basic features. In the left side navigation pane, click Instance Monitoring, then click the ID of a database instance to go to the Instance Details page. In the left side navigation pane, you can select and use these basic features. This tutorial takes the dashboard feature as an example. In the left side navigation pane, click Dashboard. On the dashboard page, you can view the performance trends of each metric within a selected time range. Click More Metrics to select metrics that you want to view. You can specify a time range, and then click Diagnose in the trend chart of a metric to analyze the metrics for the selected time range. You can click Details in the trend chart of a metric to expand the chart. You can also change the time range to view the change trends of the metric within a specific time range. You can select the severity level of events that need to be displayed. When the system detects events at the specified level, it displays the events in the trend charts of common metrics. For more information about basic features, see related documentation. Part 3, enable Autonomy Service. Click Autonomy Service Settings in the upper right corner of the page. In the Autonomous Function Management panel, enable the Autonomy Service. On the Optimization and Throttling tab, you can perform the following operations. Select Automatic Index Creation and Deletion, and then select SQL Diagnostics and Automatic Index Creation. This way, DAS automatically performs diagnostics and optimization on SQL statements, and creates indexes for your database instances. Select Automatic Throttling and then configure related parameters. This way, DAS automatically triggers SQL throttling when relevant conditions are met. Select Automatic Space Expansion, and then configure related parameters. This way, DAS automatically expands the storage capacity of your database instances in the case of storage exhaustion. Select Automatic Performance Scaling and configure related parameters. This way, DAS automatically scales up or down the specifications of your database instances based on the average CPU utilization of the instances. On the Auto Scaling tab, you can create a policy and configure related parameters. After the policy is applied, DAS provides suggestions for scaling up your database instances based on the configured policy. If the performance of your database instances reaches the specified threshold, DAS automatically scales up or down the instances. Click OK. Part 4, view results displayed on the Autonomy Center page. In the left side navigation pane, click Autonomy Center. On the Autonomy Center page, select a time range to view events that occurred within the specified time range. Find an event and then click Details to view the details of the event. Take an SQL optimization event as an example. Click Details corresponding to the event to view the SQL statement that needs to be optimized, and the operations performed to optimize the statement, such as the suggested indexes and optimized statement. Now, you can start your journey with DAS.